What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Captain Hook channel.
Thank you for all the support, guys. We've been on the road to getting to 10,000 subscribers. So if you would be so kind to smash that like button so more people can see these videos, I would greatly appreciate that. As you can see right above me, like right up there, yeah, that's a white oak. And this white oak is pretty awesome. I actually enjoy working with that type of tree. And it's always a lot of fun to hop up in there and just have a little fun, man. I mean, that's kind of like what I love to do. More than anything, I love to have fun, right? But I like to do it safely. And so that is the, I guess, the impetus for bringing you these types of videos. Like, that is the main thing, the main message that I just want to leave you guys with, and that is safety in the tree. Very simple. I just want to promote safety. If we can become safer climbers, we can come home to our kids and enjoy all of our spoils, all of the spoils that we have been able to acquire through our profession. And for me, through the love of climbing. I mean, I have what I have because, I mean, you know, I love to climb. So yeah, man, I'm just very passionate, and thank you for watching the videos, guys. Go ahead and smash that like button. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. What are you waiting for? Anyway, here's the video, guys. Till next time, peace.
Oh man, we're getting to it. Gotta adjust my gaps here.
Yeah, check that out. Quick adjustment
Okay.
there.
All right, perfect.
Velcro straps make everything easier.
All right, so here I'm gonna go for a just a quick spar anchor.
Alternatively, I could have just tied a running bowl in there with Yosemite bend in it as well. I mean, that would help.
All right, so climb
Just
up
gonna
a little
move
bit
my
more.
lanyard above the
Past
branch I'm
that
cutting
union.
there because it was
Go
just a
that
little
way.
too close.
Come back some. And stand clear, bridge coming down.
Some good audibles there. Yeah, make sure you're using your communication
Right.
to benefit everybody. Alright, passing the union. Some people call this the alternating lanyard
Alright.
technique here.
Load test. Comfortable with
Yeah.
that.
Before I take off the lower lanyard, I want to just make sure that my weight is in my
Alright.
next connection, the secondary lanyard.
Stand clear, branch coming
And
down.
If that connection holds my weight, then I know I'm okay to move forward. And just get in the habit of checking.
Stand
You
clear.
check every time. There's not a time you don't check. It's very deliberate, you understand? Well, at least for me, this is just how I like to do it, guys. Just trying to protect that tree there. There's a dogwood. Yeah, it looks like a dogwood.
right, passing the union. Load testing, upper D's, all clear. And stand clear, branch coming down. All right, so here's my plan. I'm gonna suck everything into here. Might even use this tree to cut this one down. That wouldn't be a bad idea. Yeah, okay. Well, what I'll do is I'll go up here, I'll set up a primary rigging point, come out here, set up a redirect, and I'm gonna tie in up there as well. So I'll get these two, I'll get this union in compression, and that'll help alleviate most of our problems here.
Yeah, that's a huge issue with working in these trees. I mean, sometimes you really need to think about like how fast you want to move, and whenever you're doing production rigging, you really want to do it in an efficient manner. And whenever you put things into instead of putting them in tension, you're putting them into compression, and by doing so you create a sturdy structure upon which you can just do whatever you want to it. You know what I mean? I mean, you really begin to take advantage of the tree's structure in order to carry out your work a lot faster.
Staying clear.
And so then that's the idea behind compression rigging. And it's just an incredible tool to always to apply and reapply. Just do it as often as you can. And, you know, get funky with it, you know. Don't be afraid to be an artist in the tree. I mean, do whatever you need to do, right? But be skillful about it and be an artist, you know?
Jump in the
Switch
union
it
here.
up, see what works. And if something doesn't work, well, now you know what doesn't.
Load test check.
You know what I mean?
All clear.
And it's just a good use of your creativity while you're up there in the tree. Because then later on you could come back to the same problem and be like, oh yeah, this didn't work last time. I should have stayed away from that and try something a little different.
And I think I could use that
And then
as a
that's how you
primary
progress
rigging point up there.
to becoming, you know, a very efficient climber.
Redirect off of there. Can I climb off of this to reach that?
Yeah, so we're also taking the tree next to it.
Be
that red oak right there in the bottom right of
there.
the screen. That's the additional tree. And you know, imagine the type of rigging forces we're going to be
just have to protect
applying
myself
to this tree.
when I go out there with a either a redirect and a lanyard, or I mean a lanyard for sure, but possibly a redirect. Yo, send me that that gear, the rope.
So I'm trying to do DRT climbing here.
The
And
rigging line
DRT climbing with
and
that ring on top of my akimbo is just
Yeah, that's
not
it.
gonna work like that.
Just need a rigging line.
Now I gotta fix my mistake. It's just
Huh?
these little mistakes, man.
No, the one down there.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Till next time.